here's what's in my Kingdom Spouse Survival Kit. First things first, yes, your staple piece, the Word. I love the pocket size. And notice the intention, because we are on a battlefield when it comes to intense spiritual warfare. When emotions are loud, God's voice is going to be found in His Word. And you will always win with truth. All right, so let's see. Next up, you're going to need yourself. I highly recommend some anointing oil. And I love these flasks, these mini flasks that you can put and house the oil in. As you get you some oil out the house, pray Psalm 91 over it, seal it up, and pull it out whenever you need it. As you consecrate yourself for fasting and prayer, and hit them walls, hit them floors, hit them ceilings, even your vehicle. Anything and everything God has entrusted you with, cover it with your oil. Next up, yes, here you want to get yourself a nice little prayer journal. Should you need to refer to some quick strategic prayer points. And you definitely want to write down revelations and write down the promises so that you never forget what God said. Indeed. Next up, you're going to need these. These are going to come in handy. Some earbuds for a worship playlist. Sometimes the atmosphere needs changing. When fear or another voice other than God's is talking, worship always helps me to remember who's actually in charge. Yes. All right, so then next up, what's in my bag here? Oh, yep. You're going to need a water bottle because not every attack is a demon. Sometimes you're just dehydrated. You got to stay well to stay in the game. You know your prayer post needs you, so make sure you stay hydrated. Keep yourself some water nearby as well. Next up, an upgrade from the earbuds is a whole headphone set. Yes, indeed, for when everybody has an opinion and not revelation like you're actually getting about your season and what stage you're in. You need to hear God's voice and more than or over than people's commentary so that you can stay in tune with God. Indeed. So these come in handy as well. And then lastly, you're going to need to stay on that prayer post. Pray strategically, which means pray big. God's going to move according to your prayers. Get that spiritual warfare on out the way so that He can move